What's up everybody? Welcome to Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. It's been raining here a lot lately in California, so I thought today would be a good time to give you guys a quick tip on how to repel water and also prevent any kind of water spots on your vehicle. So we've got this nearly brand new white Porsche 911 Carrera, and we've already washed it. We've given it a light clay bar treatment and polished a couple areas. But as you can see, it's got this beautiful, nice and reflective surface, and we want to preserve that and protect it, which is why we're going to apply a coat of JetSeal. But like any kind of coating, it takes a lot of prep work, such as your wash process. It has to be decontaminated, and the reason for that is because you don't want to lock any impurities or any junk in the pores of the paint, because this will last up to 12 months, and that means you're locking in any kind of water spots or anything that's on the surface that could be stuck in the pores, like fallout or any kind of rust spots. So this is going to last longer if you've removed all the impurities, and if you need to polish the car, now would be the time to do it, because if you polish after you put your coating on, it's going to remove that. So it's best to get all that out of the way before you put your sealant on or your waxes on, or a glaze, which is an optional step, which masks any minor imperfections. But as you can see, we've got this nice and reflective, beautiful, bright white finish, and now we're going to protect it using some JetSeal. And all you have to do is simply shake it up, and you can apply this by machine or by hand. But since this car is relatively new and it's got a lot of kind of contours and different shapes, we're going to use a microfiber hand applicator just so we're coating the entire surface. Now we'll just apply a couple of lines to our applicator. And what's great is you can apply this to any color vehicle. You can apply it to anything that's painted, shiny, or clear, so you can put it on your glass, your headlights, any kind of trim or bumpers that are painted. And simply all you have to do is apply it and let it bond for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the temperature or the humidity in the room. Like I said, it's been raining a lot lately here, so it's a little cooler, so this probably takes about 20 minutes for actually to bond. But after that, you just take your favorite clean microfiber towel and buff off any excess. So what I like to do is I'll blotch it out and then spread it back and forth in one direction, and then using a cross-hatching pattern, I'll come back just to make sure that I'm evening out any high spots, and I'm also covering every inch of the vehicle. This way, one, you're going to get complete coverage, and also you're locking in that beautiful shine. So as I mentioned, you can also apply it to your headlights. This is a great practice to prevent any kind of UV rays from damaging the sensitive plastics of your headlights, giving you that cloudy look. And as you can see, just a little bit goes a long way, so you don't need a very heavy coat. And the reason for this is because the thinner coat is going to wipe off easier, which saves you time, it saves you effort. More importantly, it's saving you guys some money. But also, if you think about it, only that initial layer is what's going to be bonding to the surface. So unfortunately, everything else is being wasted and wiped away. So it doesn't matter if you put a heavy coat on there, it's simply wasting the product. But a nice thin coat, it works itself into the pores of the paint, giving you a long-lasting shine. And also, you're saving yourself some effort and time, and also some money. So I'm going to work my way around the rest of the vehicle. This only takes about 15 minutes to bond. Like I said, today it's a little bit cooler, so it's probably going to take 15 to 20 minutes. But we'll wipe it off with our favorite microfiber towel, and then we'll unveil that shine. But in the meantime, you guys can head over to our website, chemicalguys.com, to check out these products for yourself. If you like this car, or if there's something else you guys want to know about, like the video, drop a comment down below. And as always, we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.